this is Jaden Boyd. We're supercharging this fidget spinner. And go check out his channel, TTNT. Editing a video now.
Bye.
And this is my first video. We got air compressor to blow this. Oh my gosh. And your vloggers, Andrew Labelle.
Hey guys,
So,
TV here, and today
Hi, I'm the cameraman now.
we're doing
Not for long though.
Well, for
Okay,
this.
so the contraption we made, we drilled a hole with that. Andrew, with that,
What?
with the drill,
Where? I don't see a drill.
right there. You got it out.
Oh, okay.
With that orange one.
That orange one.
And
Oh,
we
you're talking about screwdriver.
put this bolt in there.
That's not
And
even
we
a
put two
drill.
nuts. And then, okay, we're gonna blow it. And that's the air compressor. Okay, now we gotta do some more stuff. What else can we do?
Want me to vlog?
Okay, we're gonna try to rip this piece of paper with this. Okay.
Yeah, you should.
Do it now. Oh, keep going. Keep doing it. Oh, it put a nerve.
It sort of burned it there.
No, don't worry.
It's not working. See if it does it with one sheet. Try the. Yeah, I was about to say try the edge of it.
Hey, give her up. She got. Oh, it ripped.
It cut it. Look, it cut
the
it's right here.
Nutella.
It
It cut
ripped
the
it here.
Nutella.
No. No more
It's still
sand-
going.
No more Nutella sandwiches.
Can I start a compressor?
Yeah.
Can you do this? Okay, let's try it with 2 sheets of paper.
It just tore to shreds.
Here,
Really?
look at this. It kept on screwing.
I know it's his channel, but I don't care. Look, it just ripped it through here with this fidget spinner. Yeah, but his also has tape there with his sharp ends on it.
Yeah, but we're doing it right here.
That helps it a bit too.
Spins good.